when last time we came?
time,
Huh?
yes.
Yeah, I see.
Falafel, shawarma.
No, not that. Matam al-Bukhari.
Matam al-Mazakh.
Matam wa Fawal. This we'll get some traditional things over here.
Yes. What?
Or we eat watermelons or something.
Please take U-turn.
They don't have any good places up ahead?
No. Because the first time I visit this road.
Hmm. What's this?
Mazboot al-Kaf.
Mazoot.
Maybe here have rice.
No rice, not rice.
Here I don't know. Have
Should we take right from here or
maybe
straight?
You go to straight.
Even Tuwaiq is full of traffic right now.
Right.
Not during the day, obviously, I know.
Because everyone leave the job and go to home.
Yeah.
Pizza. Al-Fasul.
Summer tomorrow is gonna be a long day,
Really?
man. Long, tiring one. Right now, we just have enough time to